Is your Teams class feeling more like a digital zoo than a learning hub? Let's tame that chaos. Today, I'll show you how to whip your Microsoft Teams class into shape, modifying settings, managing students, and adjusting resources for the ultimate educational experience. First things first, launch Microsoft Teams. Find the specific class team you want to modify within your Teams list. Once you've located the correct team, click on it to open it. Now, look for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, right next to your class team's name. Clicking these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Team. This opens up a new window, giving you control over your team's settings and members. In the Manage Team window, you will see tabs like Members, Channels, and Settings to add or remove students. Click on the Members tab here. You can type a student's name in the Add Member field to add them. To remove someone, find their name in the list. Click the X next to it, and they are gone. Next, click the Settings tab to adjust other team settings, like team picture, member permissions, and fun stuff like tags. Take some time to explore these options to customize your class environment. Finally, let's talk resources. Head back to your class team's main page. Channels are your organizational powerhouses. You can create new channels for specific subjects, projects, or even study groups by clicking the three dots next to the team name again and selecting Add Channel. Within each channel, use the Files tab to upload and organize resources like class notes, assignments, and helpful links. This keeps everything neat and easily accessible for your students, and that's it. You've successfully modified your Microsoft Teams class. Remember to regularly review and adjust these settings to keep your class running smoothly and effectively.